What are some of the goals, the things that you're hoping to see from the community to help improve adherence from your community of users?
So adherence is really about the experience, right, and the engagement that leads to a behavior change. So although you might look at this on the surface and think, well, what do I do from a device standpoint? Well, maybe not a whole lot since it's an FDA-regulated device. You're not going to be able to change the way drug is delivered, for example, or the industrial design. All of those things have already been cleared through the FDA. But what you could say is, what would make a kid want to use this more? Is it something with a skin? Is it some sort of a special casing that goes around it? Is it a color change? Is it something that you might be able to use design thinking? So what I would really encourage the community to do is to think beyond the physical and think more about the experience that they could in turn improve for the pediatric patient. So these are kids under 18, or even the caregiver. So what could we change in the caregiver experience? And then we also put in the challenge, don't forget about the payers. Don't forget about the providers. Don't forget about the distribution channels for this particular type of product. Anyone who has knowledge of the workings of healthcare or how products get into the hands of patients, we want them to think about turning that paradigm on its head a little bit and think everything from user experience, design thinking, making it more friendly for a child, APIs that could be created for our digital app. We want the gaming community involved in thinking about, are there ways to interact with a small child to teach them better breathing techniques, better adherence ideas for them and their caregiver. I hope that helps, but it's not about, here's a device, what can I do to change the device? Here's an app under development, how do I change the app? It's really about how do you take all of the principles of innovation and find that one nugget that you can bring AireHealth, and together we'll implement your idea.
I am so grateful that you've engaged in this opportunity to connect with our community and present this challenge. We talk all the time about the fact that innovation really can live in so many different places. You've taken a technology that's a tried and true, though difficult sometimes, technology, and you've taken that and kind of spun it on its head. And now to really engage the community in user experience, design thinking. I love the idea of those of you who are involved in the gaming community to think about how you can utilize your skills to make this fun for the user, so that that makes it easier for the caregiver, the parent, the adult in charge, to kind of make sure that the kids are doing this, and also to make it fun for the kids, so that it's not a chore and they really see the value and the benefit from participating in this even before they actually get a chance to improve their health from delivery of this particular medication. So I